How to use coupons on Shein app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can use coupons on Shein app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Shein application and make sure that you're logged in with your Shein account. After you're logged in now, in order to use your coupons, first of all you need to select a product. So choose a product that you would like to purchase on Shein application. And after that, add it to the cart. Once you have added it to the cart, now tap on the cart icon. Here in this section you will be able to find your product. Now to use the coupons, you have to proceed to checkout process. For that, tap on checkout button. But before that, you have to enter your shipping address, your payment methods, and on the same page you will have an option to apply the coupon. Simply apply your coupon code, and once you have applied it, the discounted amount will be added into your amount during the checkout. So that's the way to use coupons on Shein app, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.